Are you curious about crypto investing but worried about the risks? Or maybe you're excited about the rewards but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the basics of crypto investing, from the thrilling highs to the potential pitfalls. By the end, you'll have the knowledge you need to decide if it's the right move for you. Let's dive in. First, what exactly is crypto investing? At its core, you're putting money into digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. These currencies run on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized and secure way to store and transfer data. Think of it as a giant digital ledger that keeps track of transactions without needing a middleman like a bank. And because it's decentralized, no single person or organization controls it. That's why crypto has become such a big deal. Let's talk about the rewards. One of the biggest attractions of crypto is the potential for high returns. For example, if you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2010, you'd be a multimillionaire today. Beyond just profits, cryptocurrencies are revolutionizing industries, from finance and gaming to art and real estate. Many see crypto as the future of money and technology, and as an investor, getting in early can offer massive rewards. High potential returns, early adoption opportunities, innovative use cases in blockchain. But let's not sugarcoat it. Crypto investing comes with serious risks. The market is extremely volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and crash the next. Remember when Bitcoin hit nearly $70,000 in 2021 and then plummeted by over 50%? That's the kind of roller coaster we're talking about. There's also the risk of scams and security breaches. From fake investment schemes to phishing attacks, the crypto space can be a minefield for the unprepared. Market volatility, lack of regulation, security and scam risks, emotional trading mistakes. So how do you get started while minimizing these risks? First, research is your best friend. Learn about the coins you want to invest in and the technology behind them. Stick to well-known cryptocurrencies with a proven track record. Next, choose a trusted platform for buying and selling crypto. Please be sure to look for exchanges with strong security measures and good reviews. And don't forget about storage. Use a secure wallet. Hardware wallets are a great option to keep your assets safe. Research before you invest. Use trusted exchanges. Store assets securely in a wallet. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Here's a golden rule: only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is exciting, but it's not a guaranteed way to make money. Keep your investments small and manageable, especially when starting out. Crypto investing isn't for everyone, but it can be an incredible opportunity if you approach it with caution and knowledge. Remember, the key is to balance the risks and rewards. Stay informed, stay secure, and most importantly, stay patient.